Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Royale in Splatoon 3. This powerful special weapon transforms you into an unstoppable force, allowing you to dominate the battlefield. Understanding its mechanics is key to maximizing your impact in every match. We'll cover activation, movement, and strategic applications to help you ink more turf and splat more opponents. Get ready to unleash the Kraken. Once transformed, your movement changes dramatically. You can swim through enemy ink without slowing down, making you incredibly agile. Use your dash attack by pressing ZL to quickly close distances and splat opponents. For area control, hold the B button to charge a high jump, then release to slam down, creating a large ink explosion around you. Master these moves to control the flow of battle. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this guide and finding it useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Splatoon 3 tips and tricks. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially during intense gaming sessions. The Oala water bottle keeps your drinks perfectly chilled, helping you stay focused and fresh. You can find a link to it and other awesome deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Kraken Royale is not just for offense, it's a versatile tool. Consider using it defensively to escape when outnumbered or to quickly reposition. On offense, it's perfect for breaking through a heavily defended area, allowing your team to follow up. Always try to coordinate with your teammates. A well-timed Kraken can turn the tide of a match, securing a crucial push or defending a vital zone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.